Hello guys, this is your narrator Sean Lee with Chef Yoon, and today we are going to make a special recipe. This recipe is so good that we thought it would be a waste not to share it with you guys. And that is butter tteokbokki. So, here are the ingredients. We recommend you pause this part for a second and then write them down before you go to the mart. Or if you want to see the details again, please check and click down below. First, prepare your ingredients. Slice the cabbages into edible size. Now the fish cakes. Slice them in edible size as well. Step 1. Coat the pan with butter to enrich the tteokbokki with a buttery flavor. If you're not good with spicy food, then add more butter to neutralize the spiciness. Step 2. Drop your fish cakes on top of the butter. This gives your tteokbokki a more subtle and yet seductive taste. I mean, look at those two. They are a perfect couple. Step 3. Cabbages. The fish cakes and cabbages play a crucial part in adding texture to the recipe. Once the fish cakes get a little softer, stir in the cabbages. Keep stir frying until the cabbages also get soft. Step 4. Heavy soy sauce. Once the fish cakes and cabbages turn light brown, add the heavy soy sauce and stir fry again.
Things are getting hot in here.
Bonus. Fire. Well, you don't really have to do this part. Chef Yoon is just showing off. I mean, look at this, putting all this fancy but unnecessary slow motion effects. According to him, adding fire gives the food a more smoky flavor. But I didn't taste the difference. Let's just ignore this part. Now, add water. Give it a fresh start, and then mix well. The most important part, put in the rice cakes. I mean, if you want to try out this recipe, buying your rice cakes is the top priority. Now add the red chili powder to give it a little spiciness. Then put in the sugar. And then the red chili paste. If you are weak with spicy food, maybe try controlling the amount of chili powder paste you put in. These are the crucial elements in making the sauce. And of course, mix well again. By the way, if you liked our video, don't forget to push the like button and subscribe. Boil down the ingredients in medium heat for 7 to 8 minutes until you get this dark reddish color. The key is to boil down until all the rice cakes become soft and absorb the sauce, giving it a rich and spicy flavor. And simmer down until you can barely see water in your pan. But be careful not to boiling down too much because tteokbokki tastes best when it's moist. As you can see, the tteokbokki is moist and thick. According to our experience, it has a rich, spicy, and of course, buttery flavor. You hear that sound? That's the sound of your mouths just watering. Oh my god, that is just breathtaking. 맛있게 드세요.